Hey everyone, how's it going? So I haven't drawn a whole lot of Among Us characters lately, but I have done some different versions of them. We've done some Among Us Godzilla, Among Us Ghidorah, some surprise folds, lots of different things. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to kind of combine both a Godzilla style and an Among Us style, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us character as a Godzilla Titan. So I hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Among Us Titan, I'm going to begin with the face shield up here. So I'm just going to start by drawing a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come down. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down, and it's going to connect to here with like a curve. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to come around here, and it's just going to curve to here. Starting here, I'm going to add just a couple little kind of curvy, wavy lines, and a couple more here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around up here, and then it's going to come down. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line around here. We're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. Now, in here, I want to add the teeth. So I'm just going to begin by just adding some kind of sharp, pointy teeth in here for our Among Us Titan. And we're just going to add some different sharp teeth in here, too. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to go out like this. Then we're going to redraw that and just make it get bigger as it comes back. Next, I'll draw a line that comes down, and then it's going to go right to there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a couple more little lines that just go down and in. And then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to go down like this. We'll add a little line that goes over, and then another one right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point. It's going to go over and up. Draw a little line that's going to come over. We'll draw another one here. It's just going to go down to a point and then around. A little curved line over here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go over. It's going to come up here. And we'll just add an extra little line. Then we'll bring this line up. Starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and over. We'll draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to at an angle, then it's going to come straight down. I'm going to draw this line over. We're going to come to a point. We're going to go up and down. Make another little line that's going to come up here. Right here, we'll draw a line that's going to go straight over. It's going to come up and down, with another little line that's going to go up and down here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then over. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go out, and that's just going to come down. And I'm going to bring it down just a little farther. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to come down. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up to a point, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out to a point, and then it's going to come back. Make another one here that comes out and then back. And then one more here. It's going to go out and it's going to come up. I want to bring this line over to here. And then we're going to bring it up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out or down and up. We'll draw a line that's going to come down here to a point. Make a line that's going to come down and over. One more here. And then one more here. And we're going to curve it up. We'll make this line go down and up. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm just going to kind of curve it around and up. Make it come to a point, and then we're just going to bring it back to here. Now I want to add some kind of like pointed little spikes on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just add a couple little kind of sharp, maybe some jagged kind of pointed spikes. And we're just going to kind of continue these all the way down. We're going to make them go all the way down the tail here. Now I want to come in here and add some different little details. I'm going to start up here on the knee by just making some kind of like curved little round lines with a couple more little lines around it. And then I'll just add a couple more over here. We'll add a little line or two that comes up to kind of show where the toes are. We'll make a little line that's going to go up and down for part of the mouth. We'll add some little curved lines for where the claws are going to be. And maybe an extra little line or two on each one. I'm going to add a little line right there for the hand. And a little curved line up there. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go over and it's going to come right to this leg. And actually I'm just going to extend this line down a little bit. And in here I want to add just a couple little lines coming across here. I'm going to add a little bit of this line down here, and we'll add a couple more little lines coming down. I'm going to add some curved lines on here with a couple little lines around here. And we'll just add a line or two to kind of connect that. Then you can just kind of come in here and add some extra little lines wherever you want to. Might put another one here. I'm gonna add a little line or two by the tongue. Put a couple little lines by this arm. Then I'm just gonna add some lines coming down the tail. Maybe a few broken lines over here. Add a little curved line here, some more little lines there. And we can just kind of add some extra little details wherever you want to. Maybe a few more right around the mouth, by the eye. Add a little curved line up here. I'll put some little lines on the spikes back here. And you don't have to put them on all of them, you can just do a few. And then it's just kind of up to you wherever you want to put some little lines and details. Maybe even a few onto the claws as well. But there you go, there is your drawing of an Among Us Titan character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.